replacing your old polymeric sand? Here's how to remove and reinstall it the right way. First, assess the joints. If the old sand is cracked, loose, or discolored, it's time to replace. Use a pressure washer to remove old polymeric sand. But stay cautious. Keep the water stream at a shallow angle to avoid disturbing the pavers or bedding layer. Use a broom and blower to clear out any remaining debris. Ensure joints are completely clean and dry before installation. And remember, a second pass is recommended to catch any missed areas. Before applying, ensure that both the surface and outside temperature are above 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, make sure no rain is expected within 24 hours of installation. This installation features Dyna's Optimax polymeric sand with built-in Easy Sweep technology. Begin by evenly distributing the polymeric sand over the surface. Then, use a stiff bristle broom to sweep the sand into the joints. Compact the surface to help the sand settle deeply into the joints. Leaving a thin layer of sand on top during tamping helps fill in any missed gaps. After tamping, use a soft bristle brush to sweep off the excess, making sure the sand sits just below the chamfer line for a clean, professional finish. The chamfer line marks the beveled or angled edge around the top perimeter of each paver. For best results, joints should be recessed approximately 1/8 of an inch, or 0.35 centimeters, below this line to prevent overfilling and ensure long-term durability. Use a leaf blower to carefully remove all excess sand from the paver surface. This step is crucial. Any remaining dust can cause a white haze once the sand is activated with water. Activate the sand by spraying with water. Start with a light spray, then gradually soak. Avoid flooding the surface. Proper watering locks the sand into place without washing it out. Once you see white bubbles forming, that's your cue to move on to the next section. Let the area cure for at least 24 hours. Avoid foot traffic, rain, or water during this time. Follow these steps to get the best out of your polymeric sand. Cleaner installs, tighter joints, and longer-lasting results. Discover the full range of Dyna products on our website. Need help finding the right fit? Use our store locator to find an authorized Dyna dealer and distributor near you.